I didn't realize the need that there are for diesel techs currently. After getting in and being able to have some of different dealers and people from the industry come in, they are in need of diesel techs. They'll do some trainings with us, and then after that you can even set up an interview. So I think it's pretty cool that you can meet with somebody and then 30 minutes later be in an interview with them.
ISU is probably one of the best diesel tech programs around. We are very well rounded. We cover different types of equipment, over-the-road trucks, heavy equipment, ag equipment.
Be prepared to feel like a beginner. You learn your basics. You become self-sufficient because you'll always fall back to those basics.
And a lot of other programs, sometimes it's years before you get to apply that knowledge and do something hands-on. From day one, we were tearing apart transmissions 30 minutes into class.
You're going to go out to different customers every day, transmission work, engine work, electrical problem, AC problem. The areas we're at, you got to be a jack of all trades. You got to learn everything. Be ready to grow, be ready to learn, fix whatever needs fixed.
It's going to be the real information that you need to go out to troubleshoot and to become a great diesel tech.